Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech lover, gadget enthusiast, or just someone who loves cool stuff, then you're in for a treat today. I've rounded up the top 13 coolest gadgets all available on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. These gadgets are sure to blow your mind. 13. AllVision Vanish Laser TV. The AllVision Vanish Laser TV is a revolutionary home entertainment system that redefines how we experience movies, TV shows, and gaming in the comfort of our own homes. This cutting-edge ultra-short throw UST laser projector offers a massive 120-inch to 150-inch screen size, delivering stunning 4K resolution and incredible brightness, all while requiring minimal space. The Vanish Laser TV uses a high-performance AR ambient light rejection screen that ensures crisp, vivid visuals even in well-lit rooms, making it perfect for daytime viewing. With its advanced laser light source, the AllVision Vanish boasts incredible color accuracy and contrast, bringing cinematic quality imagery right to your living room. The projector's ultra-short throw lens means you can place it just inches from the wall, allowing for a sleek, space-saving setup without sacrificing performance. 12. Rollkur Skates. Rollkur skates are an innovative and fun way to move around that blends the freedom of roller skating with the convenience of walking. Unlike traditional roller skates or inline skates, rollkurs are a hybrid design that fits comfortably over your shoes, allowing you to glide effortlessly without needing special footwear. These futuristic skates feature a set of small wheels attached to a lightweight frame, which you strap on over your shoes for a unique, hands-free skating experience. Designed for both beginners and experienced skaters, rollkurs provide a smooth, comfortable ride, whether you're commuting, cruising around a park, or just having fun. They allow you to move faster than walking, but with much less effort compared to conventional skating. 11. Obode P8. The Obode P8 is a versatile, lightweight, and powerful vacuum cleaner designed to provide effective cleaning for a variety of surfaces in your home or office. Known for its cordless design, the P8 offers the convenience of unrestricted movement, allowing you to easily clean floors, carpets, upholstery, and even hard-to-reach areas without the hassle of tangled cords. With its strong suction power, it delivers deep cleaning while maintaining low noise levels, making it ideal for everyday use. The vacuum comes equipped with a high-efficiency filter that captures dust, dirt, and allergens, improving air quality while you clean. Its ergonomic handle and user-friendly controls make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces or around furniture. 10. GPD Win 4. The GPD Win 4 is a compact, handheld gaming PC that brings console-like gaming to your fingertips in a portable and powerful package. Designed for gamers on the go, the Win 4 features a 6-inch touchscreen display with an innovative design that includes a full set of physical buttons, a D-pad, and thumbsticks, resembling the layout of a traditional gaming controller. This allows for a seamless and immersive gaming experience, whether you're playing PC games, retro titles, or emulated games. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor and integrated AMD RDNA 2 graphics, the GPD Win 4 offers excellent performance for running demanding AAA games and less resource-heavy titles alike. With its powerful internals, it's capable of smooth gameplay, multitasking, and running PC-level applications while maintaining a small, portable form factor. The device also comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB or 1 TB of SSD storage. 9. WiseCam Pan V3. The WiseCam Pan V3 is a smart security camera designed to offer reliable home surveillance with advanced features at an affordable price. It builds on the success of Wise's previous models, combining high-quality video, flexible monitoring, and easy setup. One of the standout features of the WiseCam Pan V3 is its 360-degree pan and tilt capabilities, allowing you to cover a wider area with just one camera. You can remotely control the camera's movement through the Wise app, ensuring you never miss a detail. This camera captures 1080p HD video with a high-performance Starlight sensor. 8. Neewer RGB62 Video Light. The Neewer RGB62 Video Light is a versatile and powerful lighting solution designed for content creators, vloggers, photographers, and filmmakers. It offers a combination of RGB color versatility and adjustable brightness, making it an ideal tool for creating dynamic, professional quality lighting in various shooting conditions. With the RGB color spectrum feature, the Neewer RGB62 allows you to choose from 360 different colors, giving you full creative control over your lighting. Whether you need soft, natural light for an interview or vibrant colored lighting for a more dramatic effect, this video light has you covered. In addition to the wide color range, it also offers adjustable color temperature from 3200K to 5600K, which means you can easily match your lighting to the surrounding environment or achieve the perfect mood for your shoot. 7. Climbing Trolley Bag. A climbing trolley bag is a specialized travel bag designed to make carrying climbing gear and equipment more convenient and efficient. Whether you're heading to the mountains, a climbing gym, or on an adventure trip, these bags are built to accommodate the unique needs of climbers. They combine the functionality of a trolley bag with wheels and retractable handles for easy transport, with the rugged durability and organizational features required for climbing gear. 6. Switch Kit for Bicycle. The Switch Kit for Bicycle is a popular electric bike conversion kit that allows you to easily transform your regular bicycle into an electric-powered one. Ideal for riders looking to add an electric boost to their cycling without purchasing a whole new e-bike, the Switch Kit is designed to be user-friendly, lightweight, and cost-effective. The kit typically includes a compact front-wheel hub motor, a battery, often a small, lightweight unit that attaches to the handlebars, and a controller for managing speed and power. The motor is integrated into the front wheel, and the battery sits on the handlebars or is mounted on the bike frame, keeping the design sleek and unobtrusive. This makes it suitable for a wide range of bikes, from mountain bikes to road bikes, and even foldable bikes. One of the key advantages of the Switch Kit is how easy it is to install. 5. Canon IVY. The Canon IVY is a portable, compact photo printer designed for instant printing on the go. This small and lightweight printer allows you to print 2x3-inch photos directly from your smartphone, making it perfect for those who love to capture memories and instantly share them with friends and family. Whether you're at a party, on vacation, or just hanging out with friends, the Canon IVY lets you create physical photo prints right from your mobile device without the need for a computer or bulky equipment. 4. Helios Touch Wall Light. The Helios Touch Wall Light is a sleek and innovative lighting solution designed to add both style and functionality to your living space. What sets the Helios Touch Wall Light apart from traditional wall lights is its touch-sensitive technology, allowing you to control the light simply by tapping or swiping your finger on its surface. This intuitive, user-friendly feature makes adjusting the brightness or changing the color temperature a breeze. The design of the Helios Touch Wall Light is minimalist and modern, often featuring smooth, clean lines and a variety of color options to suit different interior aesthetics. 3. Airate 2 MIDI Controller and Looper. The Airate 2 MIDI Controller and Looper is an innovative and versatile musical tool designed for musicians, producers, and performers who want to take their creative possibilities to the next level. Combining a MIDI controller and looper in one device, the Airate 2 offers a unique way to interact with music and sound. Its stand-up feature is its touch-sensitive interface, which allows you to control parameters with swipes, taps, and gestures, making it more intuitive and dynamic compared to traditional MIDI controllers with buttons and knobs. The MIDI controller aspect of the Airate 2 allows you to connect to your computer, synthesizers, or other music-making gear to control various virtual instruments. 2. Insta360 Action Camera. The Insta360 Action Camera is a cutting-edge, ultra-versatile camera designed to capture immersive, high-quality footage in extreme environments. Known for its innovative 360-degree capture capabilities, the Insta360 camera allows users to shoot video and photos in every direction at once, offering a new level of creative freedom. Whether you're snowboarding down a mountain, biking through rugged terrain, or capturing underwater adventures, this camera is built to withstand challenging conditions while delivering stunning, smooth footage. 1. Wireless Soundbar. A wireless soundbar is a sleek, modern audio device designed to enhance your home entertainment experience without the need for messy cables. Unlike traditional sound systems that require multiple wires for speakers, a wireless soundbar connects to your TV, smartphone, or other devices via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or other wireless technologies, offering a clean and clutter-free setup. These soundbars are engineered to provide high-quality, immersive sound that fills the room, making them a popular choice for home theaters, gaming setups, or music listening. So, there you have it, top 13 coolest gadgets, all available on Amazon. If you want to grab any of these, I've dropped the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more cool gadget reviews and tech content. Also, let me know in the comments which gadget is your favorite. Until next time, stay tech savvy.